can't believe how fast that tree grew. It was falling down and the guy in red was right in the danger zone. There was no way anyone could have predicted how fast it would fall, but somehow he managed to avoid it. Talking about a stroke of luck. Break. I never realized how delicate the balance of nature is. One tree is cut down and the whole forest feels the impact. I guess the trees have a secret society where they plan how to surprise the trees. The mower is like a secret tree. A tree fell down in a huge storm. The carpenter was doing great entertainment. Wow, there was a magic, not small. The man was so brave when facing danger while sawing trees in the air. Danger will come at any time. It's a reminder that even experienced people can make mistakes and that sometimes a little luck goes a long way. I guess the trees have a secret society where they plan how to surprise the trees. The mower is like a secret tree. It's not a mouse but a beaver that is destroying the tree. It's dangerous when the tree falls down. It is dangerous to cut trees at height. He is amazing in the face of danger.
B minus.
Wow, that's good. Oh my gosh. It's amazing how quickly perspective can change. 1 second you're focused on one task and the next you're grateful to be alive. Cutting down trees alone in the middle of a large forest is a dangerous job. Not only do you face the risk of trees falling in the wrong direction, you also have to be wary of unexpected factors such as strong winds that change the trajectory of falling trees, or dead branches falling from above. In the deep forest, isolation makes it difficult to call for help in case of an accident. In addition, rough terrain and wild animals can pose a danger at any time. Cutting down trees alone requires not only skill and experience, but also careful preparation and a high sense of safety. Oh my god, that guy is dangerous. 3 trees fell down. Next time let a professional handle it. Seen and nothing will. Cutting trees in the air is a dangerous job that requires skill, experience and absolute concentration. Workers working on high scaffolding, hanging ropes or in the cage of a crane often face dangerous factors such as strong winds, sudden tree falls or losing balance when cutting large branches. Even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences, from falling from great heights to being injured by falling branches. In addition, harsh weather conditions such as rain, fog or slippery ground below also increase the level of risk, making this job one of the most dangerous. He's getting solid results with simple equipment, but there's a fine line between boldness and recklessness this guy shouldn't keep.
Didn't get the bar.
That guy is an absolute lumberjack. Great technique. This is a demonstration in a forestry course on how to try to cut down a tree can lead to dangerous situations. It's just not worth it. The danger at 100 meters really gave me a heart attack. Oh my gosh. It's amazing how quickly perspective can change. 1 second you're focused on one task and the next you're grateful to be alive.
Away, man. David.
If I were a teacher, I would give him 10 points for his courage with the sheer height of cutting down a tree from above.
That's a big tree.
The man with extraordinary strength cut down the tree quickly. Amazing. If you feel good, please comment below. Wow, what a wonderful feeling. The scene of cutting down trees reminds me of my dad. He has been logging in the forest for 50 years. No need to worry when the experts say, you know, there are powerful machines involved. Everything will be handled perfectly. Human calculations will make the house safe. The strongest girl I have ever seen before. What a great woman. Cutting Cutting down red pine trees is keeping your beloved home safe. It's true professionalism. Like to see safety methods in action. Tree felling doesn't have to be. Real dangerous professional never compromise. On safety when felling trees, it's all in there. Cutting trees in the air is a dangerous job that requires great skill and absolute concentration. Workers have to climb towering trees, facing strong winds and swaying trees. A small mistake can lead to serious accidents, from losing balance and falling to being hit by falling branches. Tools such as chainsaws are also dangerous if not controlled carefully. Furthermore, the working environment at height is often unpredictable, with the risk of trees falling unexpectedly, causing harm to both the worker and the surrounding area. This is a job that requires not only courage but also experience and a high sense of discipline. The tree saw heroes are the silent but brave workers in the forestry industry. With chainsaws in hand, they face giant tree trunks and the harsh environment of the deep
Why guys
forest.
don't like it?
They need not only strength, but also dexterity and experience to handle dangerous
These big
situations.
trees, and
From trees falling in unexpected directions to slippery
cut the sucker
terrain,
down
they
and have
work
a
amid the
different
rustling of
opinion on
leaves and the echo
It
of
was said
saws.
to us, the guy who
Regardless
built
of
the saw.
harsh weather
So
or
there you notice
unexpected
that-
dangers, their work requires not only skill but also courage and a high sense of responsibility. Because they know that every saw cut must be precise to ensure the safety of themselves and their teammates. The beads of sweat on their foreheads, glistening in the sun, are a testament to their dedication and unwavering strength. Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.